Hi everyone! This video will show you how to use the translation and rotation feature in Model V200. This feature allows you to rotate and translate different coordinate axes for the selected point cloud. First, select the target point cloud file. Click the Start tab and select Translation and Rotation. You can choose the coordinate axis for the point cloud to be rotated around. Once selected, you can drag the mouse to rotate the point cloud. Also, you can specify a rotation angle in the input box. Then click the button next to it to rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. To rotate around other coordinate axes, you can follow the same method. Before translating, first deselect any chosen rotation axis. In the translation area, select any two axes to translate freely within that plane. In the taskbar, select different views to see the point cloud file. You can also select a specific axis and set the distance for each movement to translate more accurately.